Hi everyone, hope you're doing okay. Um, been a little bit of a time, but basically I'm going to do a quick video on the stack mode of Omnisphere. It's one that I don't use particularly often. Mainly the reason is because I've got a less powerful machine. But what you can do is you can actually stack sounds and so that the sounds are spread across the actual length of the keyboard. So how it works is basically, so to switch it on first of all is up here. Okay. At the moment, as you can see, there's no sounds on the stack mode itself. So we come across to the mixer. We need to get some sounds. So I'm just going to put some few sounds together. So okay, let's try. Just use one of my third-party libraries at the moment, so let's just let's say, just for quitting this. Okay, so quick tip for you also as a bit of a bonus, the parts up here, instead of keep clicking down here and then entering it on there, what you can do, these sections here 1 to 8 is actually the parts. Okay, so what you can do is basically if you go into your patch browser, and then up here it says part 1. So if you drop down and then put part 2 in there, like so, and then we could say, for example, let's try, don't know what it's going to sound like, but it's just for demonstration purposes. It says you keep switching back and forward, so you know, working on your selection of sounds. So let's put 3 in. Let's go for I don't know, bells and vibes. Right, part 3, and let's go for part 4. But as I say, it's a great way of actually combining different sounds on the keyboard as well, and you get some quite interesting results actually, especially when you tie it in with the sound match feature that I showed earlier in the previous video. You can do all sorts of things. Analog, let's try. Got no idea how that's going to sound, but we'll have a look anyway. Right, I think that'll do. Okay. Right, so there's your 4 parts, you see. Okay. Then we come across to stack mode. Okay. And what you'll find at the moment, a bit too noisy these are, so let's turn all these down a bit. Not too loud, do we? Right. Okay. Right. So that's coming through. Okay. So stack mode. Right. So you could do. You just literally you can drag across left or right. So let's say Gloriana. Oh, show you that a bit in a second. Right, so basically up here, before I go any further, this is all your channels up here. So I'm going to set it to any channel. You can specify whatever channel you want up to channel 16. This is your MIDI channels here. So I'll just leave it on any for now. The CC one, I'll just leave it on that. I don't really mess with that, but you can get involved with different CC numbers, controller messages numbers that is. Okay, so keep it on notes for now, make it nice and easy. We're going to show the name. Okay, right. And you can immediately see stuff is starting to change. Okay. But it's well worth looking and trying and experimenting with this kind of stuff as well, so that's really good. Okay, so just going to press the bottom of the keyboard here. Just move my can of drink out that way. See? And then what you can do is you can blend these. So you could sort of just drag the corner in, like so. Oh. This grid here is your, obviously this is where the CC messages and that this is where it's all maps over here. As I say, I don't really use this stuff because I haven't got a very powerful computer. So obviously it's a good idea to be wary of that as well, because some of the sounds you select may have an impact on your CPU. Okay. As I say, it's only a quick intro to this, and yeah, it's not a bad way of working at all, really. So yeah, so that's that one. The velocity side of it. So if you got it set on this, the sounds you've actually chosen will be triggered via the velocity or how hard you hit the keys on the keyboard. Okay. So I'm just tapping and hitting quite hard some of them. So yeah, so that's basically how that works. And then you'll see up here it says stack mode when it's on, so you can switch it on and off, you see. That tells you if it's on. Okay. I think that's about it, really. What else have we got? Show name. We can show the part name, in the part. Stack mode. I don't mess with any of this. 4-way split you can do. Menu. You can save the preset as well if you wish. But it's worth experimenting, and check out on the manual as well, because there's a lot more information in there about it than I can actually talk about in the short video here. So yeah, so that's about it for now. Again, thanks for watching. If you like any of the videos, including this one, give it a thumbs up and leave any comments, and also don't forget to subscribe as well. That'd be really appreciated. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.